Come with me as I take you behind the scenes for the United Way Fierce and Fearless fashion show. So I had to stop by Caesar Palace. Love going to Caesar Palace because of the beauty. It's just a beautiful hotel. Anne Fontaine, who is one of the designers that will be showcasing her fashion. I picked up my dress, and guess what? Had to head back to the salon to pick out the wigs because me and my glam team, we got the wigs and the makeup ready. There's Spencer. That's my personal assistant. And the fashion show is at the Palms Hotel. And listen, this is where it is. There's my glam team. There's Dawn, there's Linda, there's Redrick, and there's Dawn taking a picture of me, taking a picture of her. There's Redrick. He's doing makeup. And so these dresses were made out of balloons by Vegas Balloons. And you got Renee Taylor, and you got Anne Fontaine, and you got the La Host Beauty Glam for makeup and hair. Y'all, it is showtime. And do you know Vegas Balloon owner? She made these dresses, y'all, out of balloons. Renee Taylor, Anne Fontaine, and La Host Beauty for hair and makeup. Now, I told y'all I had to pick my dress up from Anne Fontaine, but what I didn't tell you is I was modeling in the show. And I'm so happy I did, pushing myself out of my comfort zone. And you know what? I had such an amazing time. Give it to him, Haith. What? Girl, turn back. What? Yarr. Okay, it was so much fun. And this was my leopard twin. She is a doctor, honey. She let them have it. Oh, what an amazing show. Fierce and Fearless 2025. I was so honored to be a part of the planning committee. Y'all, it's a wrap. Great show. Great day. And then today, my door rings and it's DoorDash. And it is a gift from United Way Planning Committee for the fashion show. Thank you so much, Ashley. You guys are amazing. Now, we can do one or two things. I can eat these all by myself, but you know I can't do that. Henry! Wow. Oh, my God. Look like you got confetti. I don't know. Is that probably macadamia cream cheese
with cream, yep.
And then that is chocolate chip. It looks like sausage. Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna Oreo. That's Oreo cookie. So this is our first time, Henry.
So are you gonna have any? Because I know I am.
Okay. It is your birthday weekend, so hey, no, I guess I'm sharing. Cookie Monster. Yeah, I'm sharing. All right, which one you want to try first, sir?
Let's try the chocolate chip.
Because we both
asked me.
No, I know, but babe, come on now. We got to ease into this. You know how many calories?
Well, then you got to start from the left.
Okay.
This way, it didn't work that way.
Which we already know we want the chocolate chip, and that's delicious. So you want to start with the confetti?
We'll start with the confetti. Is that confetti?
That is
what it's called?
I think it's the confetti birthday cake. So happy birthday to you. Mm-hmm. Happy birthday, babe. All right, so we're going to California later on tonight because we're going to have dinner in Cali. Keep you posted. Anyway, all right, here we go. I'm going to take the little part. You take the big part.
I'm going to take a small part, too, because I want to taste everything. And I don't want it to be too much.
Okay, so I'm going to follow your lead. Hold on. Oh, my God, babe. Okay, 1, 2,
Look, the Cookie Monster will strike.
Cookie Monster. All right. All right, come on, babe. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's a sugar cookie with confetti.
Here we go. Mm-hmm. Those sprinklers on the inside.
That's good. It just tastes like a sweet sugar cookie.
It's good.
But in all sugar cookies, I like the ends.
Oh, okay.
I don't like the middle. It's too sweet.
You can tell she like burnt ends.
I do.
She always like the ends.
I do. In brownies, you got to eat the ends. Okay, I don't know what this is.
It looks
like my God.
What's that one?
Cheesecake.
Let's try it. There's only one way.
It looks like peanut butter a little bit though, don't it? Oh, that's good.
Snickerdoodle?
Come on, put it right here.
Listen.
This is a snicker. How did you know this was a snickerdoodle?
I got great.
So you know look, Cookie Monster know his victims. All right, I eat them all day. Henry, and how do you like? I like this.
Okay.
This is good. That's
You
good.
can only take a little bit. That can last you a long time.
Yeah, we'll eat on this for 2 weeks.
The Cookie Monster.
Okay.
We'll see.
You want to do Oreo or you want to do chocolate chip?
I'll do the Oreo.
Okay. I hope my dogs don't get sick. Okay.
Yeah,
There you go.
get it.
All right.
I'm gonna
Look at you.
I'm gonna take a little bit.
You being so disciplined.
see. That's that chocolate. Oh man, give her some more chocolate. Yes. All right.
That Oreo is it.
Yeah.
That is it. Oh my God, that was delicious.
All right. This
All right.
is my favorite right here. Chocolate chip.
Okay, babe. Oh my God. I'm gonna do this side because this side right here got all the hardness. Oh man, this looks good. I'm not trying to get the biggest part, but
Well,
okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that take a minute.
It's pretty thick.
That's what it is. It hits you in a minute. Afterward, after you break it all down.
I think your Oreo is the winner here.
United Way Fashion Show Committee, Ashley and your staff and team.
Did a great, fabulous job.
I mean, literally. And to end it like this, O-M to the G. Stop acting like
Just a
you.
little bit.
Oh my God. Okay, well, that's more for me. Thank you, Cookie Monster.
Make sure you get your tickets for 2026 Fashion Show. Fierce and Fearless.